come up and say, men are making one buy.
So how do you know, sir, other vice president, the idea quite bad? They did not project it as the vice president.
Those governments, such legacies, young father, for attribute to vice presidents.
Because we have a cancer list. The late Prof. Mills started with the idea of VAT.
Started not as vice president. Not as vice president. As GRE boss.
Okay.
Check me where's Niye Pao.
Okay. As a vice president.
Vice president. Do you see it?
Yeah.
The ones that are most there when you be a case or ye GRE boss or initiative BB. But NDC kwane primaries a Conspio Gabra appropriated to himself. So one ma kavat and go through. Because no any time on bet try be until he became the Minister of Communications. And or try in a way selling it differently man he go through. The mra or no flag bearer of NDC or can say or no in the Timmy Mass I no buy. But that is there. I make sure I say you were near my beer today Ubia himself is being championed by the vice president or initiate ne Obekai mra now no we were at the heat of COVID and the initiation of the Russian-Ukraine war. Na Ghana fuel per liter. Eko say 23 Ghana cedis per liter. Somebody thought through. He was attacked individually, not as a government. Dr. Bawumia, gold for oil. Before that initiative, now West Africa, Ghana, and fuel was through. Now, due to that initiative, all our neighbors, you can check it today. From 23 to 12 today.
Have you asked now was saying they could do it at 23? Where was it? You came to meet it less than somehow it's around.
If you want us 16. To go to that fuel records,
then
you will be surprised. No, let me tell you. In the history of the Fourth Republic, Abaya Watumia so fuel Muye Ghana and another Dankwa Dr. Bawumia buying. Let me prove it to you.
The fuel?
Yes, let me prove it to you. Emra President Kufuor Babaimwa, ne say gallon, ne board, ne those days 7,200 and ne 72 pesos.
Yeah.
Now they per liter. Ne 1,600 and ne 16 pesos. 16. That I say. President Kufuor for Babaimwa, na fuel gallon ye 36,000 and ne 360 pesos.
Yeah.
Now a liter 82 pesos and now those days 8,200.
Yeah.
Until now a liter. Abebro President Rawlings gallon bosso.
Okay.
When the NDC Professor Mo says any boarding or better although drastically now a gallon in 36. But NDC free power 2017 now a liter you 4 cedis 20 pesos. Now a gallon you 18 cedis 40 pesos.
Yes.
And now you can say to match the records of all previous Fourth Republican presidents and our governments, a liter of one's fuel should be higher than a gallon of one's fuel. And now you can say a liter you 12 cedis. Your mama a gallon at 18 cedis 40 pesos. Until you can say na 20 million so fuel you be 2 liter over 19 cedis. That's the only time Fourth Republican governments bet me compare to nanado. But people don't see the good things we have because you ain't selling enough. I'm telling you the records in the Fourth Republic. 8-year period, send your fuel prices changing. Check it. I'm telling you.
A liter of fuel is now around 12 cedis 30 pesos.
Yes.
A liter.
Yes.
As we speak for now from Goel and
no problem.
So you multiply that by 4.5. You are getting higher.
What in here make with it?
The
only timer.
Okay.
Ube to me did Nanado's government. A liter. I compare all the Fourth Republican governments say you pay. You better petrol 1 gallon over 95 Ghana cedis.
But we've been there before.
And where are we now? Where are we now? Okay. Or the empire can you rule away? 18 cities 40 pesos. That we have been there before. So also Timothy Emba 12 cities can be a rule away. That is what I'm telling you. So you see that people are measuring the NPP on a different competence level because they see it have to be different. Because Panamika say be fair and let's do these assessments as we are doing. Me see Obia, every president in the Fourth Republic,
Okay.
a gallon of fuel or babe to sono, on free on a price per liter. Even higher. Me see President Kufuor now President Rawlings gallon is 7,002. All free one and a liter 8,002. NDC ba na President Kufuor gallon is 36,000. Or move free one or more liter 42,000. NDC kono na a gallon 30 to the end year can 184,000.
Yeah.
18 cedis 40 pesos. Until say you better a liter over 19 cedis in Ghana, no government in the Fourth Republic can compare your competence on fuel to Nanado's government. Unless you don't want to be fair, unless you put on your political spectacle. If you want to be fair, let's go that way. Wherever you go, in which government in the Fourth Republic, and yet they are buying accountable, I measure vice president and not the president. Tell me one single government, Abba say, Rollins are buying with the Anyadi, Akamon Homodin. And Rollins are buying with the Anyadi, Jomama.
How much did you say, 2017, a liter of fuel?
4 cedis 20 pesos. Check it. 5th January 2017, the last increment.
Okay.
President Mahamudu over one another. Now you 4 cedis 20 pesos.
That's per liter.
Per liter.
Yeah.
I know you have checked it.
Yeah.
I have my facts. Inti me say, chire me say Fourth Republic yenya vice president in Sia. Aban ben na the vice president na measure ne government no. So I say o President Kufuor born ho modern pa liu mama why ade. Ana say your mama obo ho modern wa mo ho modern pa bisata. Ana say Atamos Rollins abon ho modern pa Atamos ye da wase. Ana Rollins amon ho modern kura aka wa nya ade. Have you heard it before? But people in Ghana know the competence of our vice president. Till we are measuring our government on his side. And then my akukudro who say, na say obia your mama go the vice president ye hunu he was why are they as president. And to send the government measure.
But you have a vice president, Brano position. He did all the commentaries and all sat back. You know, punch all the holes our baby government with the competency of economics, actually why we are there, why Ghana do. Nasa wobana situations from CD to dollar, the market, the depreciation. Nasa no, you are not measuring to that level.
Why are
they? Na yen can't.
Why are they? A good to say, who say he was able to get it right, punching holes in then government, you know. All the holes are punches, so who say accurate. Prediction on my say boom. Obedru government, you know, from 2017 to 2019, say na Ghana tie. Until COVID struck, until Russia-Ukraine war, is Bawumia in UK. Today, as we talk, UK had the highest inflation in 40 years. The ever time a UK had the highest inflation, 1983, no, we call 8.7. Yet now no ya COVID the bear Russia-Ukraine war, UK inflation drew 10.2. 40-year high. Their prime minister or exchequer's secretary is not called Bawumia. Put it. Okay. I'm talking about a world economic crisis. World debt. Country be a debt. A minimum of 40%. Yes, what you should. Because of depreciation about world currency differences. For the first time, dollar to me be sign pound. Are you aware?
Yeah.
But I know the dollar to the pound to ananka mefa pound.
Yeah.
Germany, the biggest economy in Europe, they ration food. Ukura uska. Ube ura hosa me to anwa 2 gallons. You see there be to 1. Na ko na obi foforo eba when you be ato next time obeba na bi ho. UK near ration fuel. Priority, health workers first, followed by security, followed by education. By Ghana ha, wa wuti ya wo sori say oh, me pe fuel fill me car. Kotena Lake Bosomtwe Agimania. Ubetimi atot even 1 full tanker. But in UK, now we beto fuel you be first. We ejuma ni ben share card. This say we health worker beto bi ama. Say we your health now we education and rules so kwachiri no be from ra. US enya 40-year high inflation bin see that. Ntina mampanyi hunu ye because onim ne na oyo. no took catch Ghana for say. Ye money pakra ho ban first. Na sikasem de ebetumi agiyensem because of how ne wie ebetumi akora no bio. That is how come we're able to save our people. Yen sikasem say ye inflation could do 54. Now we are in 32. Ade ne yen ko bio ne yeteba.
What bisa with all these analysis away, what bisa said, what did we get within COVID? The Sika donor support funding, I levy year twice they told Ghana for so we are even still paying them. Yes, the COVID came, but in fact, we had a lot of donor support. In fact, GRA could tell us said, yet to me realize all are target.
And you're true.
No, that was
true. I'll go and read the former president's speech at Chatham House, US, or say.
He admitted say affected.
Ghana lost 13 billion and had extra budget of 14 billion. So Ghana was in the average of shortfall of 27 billion.
A former president and the airline data now said the GRA.
Oh, GRA is saying. GRA is within COVID.
Yes.
Oh, please.
We achieve our target.
Please don't put
Ghana
this dust.
Achieve our
don't
target
put this dust.
GRA.
Don't put this dust there. Don't put this dust there. That's there.
2001. 2021.
Now COVID back 2021.
No, I'm talking. Hold on. COVID started from 2020. 20 coming out 2021.
COVID started in 2019.
Yeah, 2019. Like that was May, June 20. But check 2020, 2021. Say these are all period within COVID.
I'm saying, check it. You just find it. So who can cap me throw idea. Me throw say na free. It also prove this source say 2020. Yeah, achieve your target. Prove it. I need it now. Check your source and prove it. Hey, fan, I was say GRA say 2020 Ghana revenue we exceeded our target.
Let me confirm.
Confirm it and let's see.
So you still believe say in the midst of levies that hold one of the Ghana?
I feel before Ghana COVID, yenya testing centers.
Yeah.
We have only 2.
Okay.
Only 2 testing centers. Nuguchi.
Yeah.
Na KCCR.
Yeah.
Nti se na Ghana ni yare wo Pusiga, which is at the border. Paga. Elubo. Ya twiwu bra sample. Ya mfa amakumasi aje se yedeko Nuguchi. Okay. Today as we talk, we have over 62 testing centers. Every region has it.
Okay.
Almost every big hospital has it. It is one of the benefits Ghana got from COVID.
Okay, for the purpose of clarity, graphic online.
Yeah.
The Ghana Revenue Authority has said that it has exceeded its revised revenue target.
Revised.
Revised. For 42,769,000 following the achievement. The authority has set itself for another 60 million for this year. That is the year 2022. But the revenue target for this year,
the target already reached here. I'm talking about